Today, Bio360 Europe is honored to introduce Walter Danner, co-founder of Char2Cool.
Hello, I'm Walter Danner. I'm one of the founders of Char2Cool. Char2Cool is an NGO in Bavaria, Germany, and we work in Africa, in Sri Lanka, on Sumatra, on Cook Islands, on distressed tropical soils, which are really infertile. We produce biochar from invasive plants like water hyacinth or Salvinia molesta or cactus on Madagascar, and also from farm byproducts as coconut husk or maize stalks. With primed biochar, we improve soils with 1 kilogram per square meter and fourfold the yields on these distressed tropical soils. As byproduct, which is very fine, we protect the gray crowned cranes, desert elephants, sea turtles, and radiant turtles. I'm looking forward to seeing you at my presentation in Nantes. Thank you.